Hey, future online entrepreneurs! Have you thought about turning your keen eye for detail into a business? Imagine making money from your laptop with no upfront investment by editing and proofreading content. Stick around, because I'll show you how to start earning online today with just your skills. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to jumpstart your new income stream. Content is king, and with millions of blogs, articles, and books published daily, the demand for sharp-eyed editors and proofreaders is high. Businesses know a single typo can cost credibility, and that's where you come in. The best part? You don't need fancy tools or certifications, just attention to detail. To excel in editing and proofreading, you need key skills: mastery of language, a solid grasp of grammar, punctuation, and spelling, attention to detail, spotting even the smallest errors, critical thinking, understanding content flow and clarity. Many of you already have these skills. Just refine and put them to work. You can start with zero investment. Grammarly offers free versions to catch common mistakes. Google Docs has built-in tools for basic proofreading. Offer your services on Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Build a portfolio by offering free edits to friends or nonprofits. Collect testimonials to boost your credibility. Let's talk about landing clients. Leverage social media. Use LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook groups to connect. Network. Reach out to writers' communities, student forums, and business groups. Offer value. Start with a free consultation or a sample edit to showcase your skills. Once you've got some clients and testimonials, it's time to scale. Set competitive rates. Start with competitive pricing, then gradually increase your rates as you gain experience. Use tools like Trello or Asana to manage your workflow. Expand your services. Consider offering content rewriting, formatting, or coaching writers on improving their drafts. Now that you know how to make money online with content editing and proofreading, it's time to take action. Drop a comment below if you're excited to get started. If you have any questions or advice to help others, I'll be answering them all. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share with friends, and hit subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.